Hi, this is a quick demo of the background builder. So we're going to go over a few quick things to get you up and running and start designing. So the first thing you're going to see when you log in is this screen right here. And if you look down at the bottom, you'll have some directions on how to navigate and move around some elements. So the first thing is going to say drag and drop to place elements. So if you click on the menu button, you can take a element out here by dragging and dropping it. And once you've laid it out, you can click on it to select it, and then you can use the W, A, S, and D keys on your keyboard to move it. So A moves left, D moves right, W moves forward, and S moves backward. Once you've done that, you can move around to where you want, and then you can fine tune and adjust it by using the arrow keys on your keyboard. So you can move left like that, right like that with your keyboard. And then for specific objects like lights, you can actually move them up and down with your arrow keys as well. So up and down, and then left and right. And then finally, you'll be able to delete any object by using the delete key, just like that. You also have the ability to change the light in each room, the sunlight that's coming through the windows. So with the Z and the X keys, you can go left and right with the sun as well. Finally, to hide the interface, you can hit the H key for hide, which when you're ready to take a screenshot of your final project, you go ahead and hide, take a screenshot, which is usually print screen on your keyboard. And then you can go ahead and use that image for your background in Zoom, Skype, and any other application that can use a green screen, chroma keyed virtual background. All right, so really quickly, we'll go through some other options. So to see some of the more elements that you can change, you can click on, for instance, the room. I'll go back to this room, and up here at the top, we can change different parts of the room. So for instance, this is a different brick wall look. This is changing the graphic on the wall here. Change that back. Can change the carpet to a bunch of different carpets, so on and so forth. And then again, the same thing. This, you can change the walls, and in here we have a few different wall panels that you can add in as well. For the panels, you have to click on them and delete them. All right. The next sort of most important thing here is if you're going to add a logo. There's a specific way that you need to do that. So what you're going to have to do is find your logo, whether it's on your computer or on the internet, and you're going to want to put that logo into Dropbox. So you go ahead and create a free account on Dropbox, and I'll just drag in my account here. And you're going to go ahead and add one of your logos to Dropbox, and then once it's in there, you can click on the share button and go ahead and copy the link. Let's get this one. Copy the link, and then go ahead and here type that link into the field right there, and then you actually have to delete the 0 and add a 1 every time you do this, basically, which tells the software to download the image. And so from there, you can just go ahead and move it around and place it wherever you want. The top logo is going to be more for your horizontal logos that you'd find, and then your bottom logo space there is going to be for the larger logos. So if you have a logo that's more square, like this one, you go ahead and type that in here. And then you can see this one. Go ahead again and place that wherever you want. So that's how you use the logos. And then you can just use as many as you want of each of those logos. All right, and I'll just go through really quickly some other elements. So for, let's go to this room. For the different elements, we have lights. You can add different lights. This. We have plants that you can add in as well. Move those around wherever you want. So we have chairs. We have sofas. Grab this one. We have one rug right now, and always adding more to this, so the content will be continuously updating and changing. Then we have a bunch of decor to choose from as well, so you can go ahead and place an element in there. Like this. And then for this room, we have, again, a couple wall panels as well. And then again, once you're ready, if you want to add your logo, just drop it in here, place it like that. And maybe you as well want to put this logo, you can turn it and put it on the side like this. And then once you're all done, and maybe you've moved the lighting around a little bit as well, go ahead and take a screenshot. And then you're good to go. You take the screenshot and you can use that for your virtual background. All right, and that's it for this quick guide. If you have any questions, go ahead and email us. And we're, again, continually updating all of the content, so just look out for that. Thanks.